Hi dears, in this video we are going to discuss the exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Aftab tell his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So both graph and algebraically we have to solve this. So let us assume the present age of Aftab and his daughter as some variables, because the present age is not known for us and it is not given in the question, and they have given two conditions, 7 years ago and 3 years from now. So that is what they have given. They have not given the right age. So let us assume the present age. Let the present age of Aftab. So I am using here x and y. You can use any letters, but mention it clearly whatever the letters you are going to use. These we say it as variables. And his daughter, let the present age of Aftab's daughter be. So the present age of Aftab and his daughter is x and y. The first condition they have given 7 years ago. That means from present age we need to subtract 7 years. Okay, now we are studying class 10. So before 2 years, which class you were studying? If anyone is asking like that, what we'll do? You will subtract the present standard minus 2 years, isn't it? That is what we are going to do here also. So the first condition. So either condition 1 or case 1, whatever, mention it. The condition is 7 years ago. First of all, let us write the age of the Aftab and his daughter. What is their age before 7 years? Then we will come to this condition, whatever they have given. Okay. So from his present age, from their present ages, we need to subtract 7. Not from 7 their age. Okay. Age cannot be negative. 7 years ago, Aftab's age is x minus 7 and his daughter's age is, we have assumed as y. So it is y minus 7. This is their age. They have given 7 years ago. Who is saying? Aftab is telling to his daughter, 7 times as old as. If you have 7 times, 3 times, 2 times, you have the condition. If you have like this, then we need to multiply. Okay. Older, greater, lesser means we'll use plus or minus. That is addition or subtraction. So Aftab is telling to his daughter. So Aftab's age is x minus 7 and he is telling his age is 7 times as old as his daughter's age. So 7 into his daughter's age. Now let us multiply and bring all the terms to one side and make it as a proper equation in 2 variables. In 2 variables means we have x and y, isn't it? So x minus 7 is equal to, when we multiply 7 inside, 7 into y is 7y, plus 7 into minus 7 is minus 49. We will bring these 2 terms to the left side. So x minus 7 is already there, minus 7y plus 49. Then simplify these 2, plus 49 minus 7. So x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. This is the first equation. Similarly, what is the second condition? 3 years from now, that is from their present age, we need to calculate 3 years. That means the future tense, isn't it? After 2 years, which class you will be studying? If anyone is asking what you will do, you will be adding from your present standard, isn't it? Or present age. So, case 2, we will mention it as 3 years from now. So what will be the Aftab's and daughter's age? Aftab's age, from his present age, we need to add 3. So Aftab's age will be x plus 3 and his daughter's age will be y plus 3. This is the age of Aftab and his daughter after 3 years. And what is the condition they have given? Aftab will be 3 times as old as his daughter. Aftab's age, x plus 3. 3 times as old as his daughter. Then multiply inside, make it as a proper equation. So x plus 3 equal to 3y plus 9. So x plus 3, take the 2 terms to the left side, minus 3y minus 9 Then we have x minus 3y minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6 equal to 0. This is our second equation. So we have represented the situation algebraically. For graph, in right side of the graph node, we will be finding the values. Then we will plot and we will mark the points and we will make it as a line. So first equation, first we will find the points, then we will move on to the graph. Either x plus x is equal to or y is equal to. Like previous classes how we were doing, the same way. I am just going to x plus x is equal to. Then minus on y will become plus, plus 42 will become minus. Okay. We will find the points x and y. Let us substitute y as 7. So in rough we will do 7 sevens are 49 minus 42. That will be 7. Then we will substitute y as 10. Then that will be 7 tens are 70 minus 42. That will be 28. Then for the second equation, same way, x is equal to 3y plus 6. We will find the points. Let us substitute y as 2. So when we substitute y as 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 6. That will be 12. When we substitute y as 3, 3 3s are 9 plus 6. That is 15. Now let us plot graphically. I have already plotted the xy values, x dash y dash. The negative also have included 2 3 points both for x and y axis, and I have written the equation here, and also I have included one more point. Okay, so this is what we are going to plot: 7 7 and 0 6. Okay, 7 7 lies here, 0 6 we have it here. So let us join these 2 points. I have extended the line. Mention what is the equation. So x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Then the second equation, 12 2 and 15 3. So 12 2, 15 3, the midpoint of 2 and 4. Let us join these 2 lines. Write the equation. So this is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Representing algebraically and graphically for the question number 1. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 balls of the same kind for 1,300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Like the previous question, we need to do in the same way, but here we have the 2 costs, 3,900 and 1,300. Okay. Before proceeding, we need to identify which 2 terms we have to take it as x and y. So they are buying bat and ball for some cost, isn't it? So let us assume 2 variables for bats and balls. Let us write here, let the cost, because they haven't mentioned the cost of single bat and ball anywhere. Yeah? So let the cost of one bat be x. Same way, let the cost of one ball be, let us write with units, rupees x and rupees y, as it is cost. Yeah. So cost of one ball into how many ever they are purchasing, plus cost of one bat into how many ever like they are buying the bats. Together means we need to add, that will cost the given amount. Okay. So first condition. Let us write condition number 1 or case number 1. That's up to you. So they have given 3 bats and 6 balls. Cost of one bat is rupees x into 3. So 3x. Cost of one ball is rupees y. They have purchased 6. So plus 6y. So these 2 costs together they have purchased for 3,900. If there is a chance of simplifying the equation, you can do. If you see, the numbers common is 3, isn't it? Mention dividing throughout. You should not divide only one term. Throughout the equation, you need to divide the same number. Don't do only for each number. This number by 3, this number by 2, this number by 100. You cannot do. Throughout the same number. So as the common number is 3, I am going to divide it. Okay. When we divide 3x by 3, 3 gets cancelled, we get x. When we divide 6 by 3, it will be 2y. 3900 by 3, it is 1300. So we cannot simplify further. This will be the first equation. Same way, condition 2, they have purchased another bat, that means only one bat. Yeah? Cost of one bat is x, only one bat they are buying, simply x. 3 more balls, cost of one ball is y, so 3 into cost of one ball. Together they are purchasing for 1300. If you see, we cannot simplify further, let us mark this as the second equation. So this is algebraic form. So graphically, so in graph note in right hand part you do it. So graphically, I am taking the first equation. So I am going to find x. So 1300 minus 2y. Okay, let us find the values x and y, and we have the rough here. So when we substitute y as 600, okay, so 1300 minus 2 into 600 is 1200. When we subtract, we get 100. Same way, when you substitute y as 500, 2 into 500 is 1000, 1300 minus 1000 is 300. Okay, this is for the first case. Second case, so x is equal to 1300 minus 3y. And I am going to substitute here y as 400. So 3 into 400 is 1200. So 1300 minus 1200 is 100. Y as 100. 3 into 100 is 300. 1300 minus 300 is 1000. Plotting the graph, first equation, x plus 2y equal to 1300. We have found the points 100, 600, 300, 500. Let us plot that 100, 600. I have used the scale as both for x and y in terms of 100, multiples of 100. So 100, 600, 300, 500. Let us draw the line. Then write the equation. X plus 2y equal to 1300. This is very must. Then for second equation, x plus 3y equal to 1300, 100, 400. 1000, 100. We'll join these 2 points. Write the equation. X plus 3y is equal to 1300. So this is the answer for representing graphically and algebraically. Question number 3. Cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Like previous question, the same way, we are going to assume the cost of 1 kg of apple and grapes as x and y. Then we will move on to the given condition. We have assumed as x and y. The condition is 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. That is, cost of 1 kg of apple is x into 2. So 2x plus cost of 1 kg of grapes is y, and they have purchased 1 kg. So that will be y, and the total cost is rupees 160. So equal to 160. We cannot simplify this equation. So let us mark it as first. Same way, 4 kg of apples. Cost of 1 kg is x into 4. So 4x. 2 kg of grapes. Cost of 1 kg of grapes is y into 2. 2y equal to 300. Now here we can simplify using 2. Dividing by 2, we get 2x plus y equal to 150. This is the second equation. Okay. Now we'll find the points. I'm going to use y here. So y is equal to 160 minus 2x. Let us assume the values. When x is 0, 160 minus 0, 160. When x is 50, 2 50s are 100, 160 minus 100 is 60. Here also we'll find y. So y is equal to 150 minus 2x. We will assume the values for x and we'll find y. So when x is 50, 2 into 50 is 100. 150 minus 100 is 50. When x is 70, 2 70s are 140. 150 minus 140 is 10. We have the points 0, 160, 50, 60, or we will use x as some other value if you wish not to be 0. X as 70 here, 2 70s are 140, 160 minus 140 is 20. We have the points 70, 20. Same way for the second equation we have 50, 50, 70, 10. Let us plot in the graph. Let us solve for the first equation. 50, 60. So 50, 60. I have used multiples of 10 for both x and y axis. 70, 20. 70, 20. Let us join these 2 points and write the equation. 2x plus y equal to 160. Then the next set of points 50, 50. 70, 10. Let us join these 2 points. Write the equation 2x plus y equal to 150. So this is how we will solve algebraically and graphically. Next video we will continue with exercise 3.2. I hope this will be useful. If any doubts or clarification or feedback, please post it in the comment section. I will respond as soon as possible. Bye bye. Take care.